Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen on the watch, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a couple of icons, and one of them should look like the alarm clock. Tap on it to open the alarm menu, and here we can set up the alarm clocks. If you don't have any alarms, you will see this add an alarm on the screen. Then you can tap on this big plus button to add new alarm, and once you tap on it, you will see this menu. And here you can basically set the hour on which the alarm should go off, and you can set the hour by swiping up and down right here on hours, minutes, and then you can change it between AM and PM. And once you're done, you can tap on the arrow to continue. And right here we have the option to choose how often the alarm, or on which days the alarm will repeat, and you have options like only once. So if you select this option, the alarm will go off only once. But if you select, for example, Monday, it will go off every Monday. And if you select multiple days, it will go off on those days. So for example, if I select Monday, Wednesday and Friday, the alarm will go off on each Monday, Wednesday and Thursday, or rather Friday, my bad. And once you're done selecting the days, you can tap on the check mark, and here we have our alarm clock. We can enable it or disable it by tapping on the switch. We can tap on it to edit it if you need to, and you can also, I believe, swipe left on it, tap on the pen icon to remove it. And you can have multiple alarms if you want to. So if we add one, then second one, like that, you can have multiple alarms and manage them right here. Okay, let's remove them like this. And once you're done customizing your alarms, you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.